Okay, once you when you click on Adobe Premiere and open it, sometimes you'll get this screen, but if you don't have this screen, don't worry. Come up here to File, New Project. Okay, but if you have this screen, then you can just click on New Project right here. So what we want to do is create a new project. This is where you'll do all your editing in Premiere Pro. So click on New Project. And if you didn't get that, you could go up to File at the top and New Project. So we want to title our new project. This is very important that we organize everything in the same folder. So I'm going to title my project Trask 30-second sequence. And then where it says location, it is important that you don't use the default location that's already there. I want to click Browse and find the folder that I put all of the video clips in. So that folder was called 30-second sequence, Trask. So I'm going to click on that. You'll see I've got some video clips in there. And I'm going to choose that folder. So that will make sure that my project folder right here, my project is in my folder with all my videos. And click OK. And once you click OK, it will open up your project, and you will then go and start importing your videos. Make sure you go to the next step in the videos that I've created for you on how to import your clips into Premiere Pro.